All right, here's a good question. So it says Walt made an extra $5,000 last year from a part-time job. He put some of the money in at 10%, and some of the money put in at 8%, and altogether he made $420 interest on it. So how much was invested at 8%? And we can figure out 10% too. Okay, so a formula to figure out interest is you take the principal, multiply it by the rate, multiplied by the time. And I guess we have to assume that the time is 1 year. So time, I think, would be 1 year. The interest rate we have, so it's either 8% or 10. And the principal, we know we have a total of 5,000 split between the two accounts. So I guess what you could do is you could say, well, the interest that I get from the 10% account plus the interest that I get from the 8% account, the total interest for that comes out to $420. Now, interest at 10, let's do that. Interest at 10%, it'll be the principal. Oh, I don't know that. Why don't we just call it X? Times the rate is 8%. Oh, hold it. We're doing the 10%. So 10% times 1 year. Okay, the interest at 8% is going to be, well, I know it's 5,000 total. So what I could do for my total here is my principal will be $5,000 minus whatever I spent on the 10% times 8% times 1. Okay, so interest at 10 is going to be x times 10 times 1, or we'll just call that 10x. Or not 10, it'll be 0.10x, right? Because that's 10% in decimal is 0.10. Plus, the next one will be, again, that's 0.08. So it'll be 0.08 times 5,000 minus x is equal to 420. Okay, let's times that through. So it'll be 0.10x plus, what's that? That 40, call it, I don't know, is that 4 or 400? Calculator, just a minute. Yeah, that's right, 400. So it'll be 400 minus 0.08x is equal to 420. So let's collect these. So that'd be 0.02x. And let's move the 400 to the other side. So it's equal to 420 minus 400, which will just be 20. Oh. So then I'll divide both sides by 0.02. So 20 divided by 0.02, I think comes out to, I want to say 1,000. But I better check. Yeah, I was right, it's 1,000. So X, and so X is how much I invested at 10,000. So in order to figure out how much I invested at 8,000, I'm just going to take and subtract that from 5,000. So this is for X is 10%. So for 8%, it must be 5,000 minus 1,000, or in other words, $4,000. I'm picking that one. Okay, hopefully that helps out.